a salsa verde or a salsa roja. So we love mixing them together in dishes that we call divorced. And now I'm gonna make a divorced enchilada platter that's really gonna pump up el sabor. So I'm gonna start by heating my salsa ranchera, and then I'm gonna heat my salsa verde. So I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of cooked shredded chicken. I want the chicken to completely bathe in the sauce. You have a chicken in salsa verde guisado and a chicken in salsa ranchera guisado. I'm gonna make a black bean pico de gallo. You can use home cooked black beans or you can get them from the can already ready and cooked. Just make sure that you're draining your black beans. So I'm gonna add the diced tomato, chopped cilantro, and then a chopped jalapeno with the seeds, and then some chopped white onion, the juice of a lime, salt, and pepper, splash of olive oil. So easy, so fast. I'm gonna heat my comal. When you're making tacos or quesadillas or enchiladas or anything that uses a tortilla, all you need to do is heat the tortilla on a heated comal until they're thoroughly heated on both sides. If you heat your tortillas before you use them, you're adding a layer of flavor because you're giving them that toasty flavor. So you'll see what happens. See, when you start seeing these air pockets, it means that when you roll the tortilla, it won't break or crack. So I'm gonna make some with the salsa ranchera and some with the salsa verde. So go near the edge. I do have to say, if I had to choose between an enchilada with a salsa verde and an enchilada with a salsa roja, I will go for the salsa verde one. I'm even divorcing my platter. I have the green salsa on this side and the salsa ranchera on this side. So salsa verde with tomatillo, jalapeño, it's tangy, it's tart. And then the salsa ranchera, which has a combination of fresh and dried chiles. It has jalapeño, but it also has guajillo en pasilla and chile de árbol. We have the divorced enchilada taquitos, and I'm gonna make the divorced salsas match on top. The other half is gonna go green. So you can make everybody happy. If anyone in your home only wants to have the green, they can go on this side. Adding lettuce on top, fresh and crunchy. The black bean pico. Algo de crema, queso fresco. I mean, what a feast! This is not just for me, this is for everybody. And I'm gonna go for the enchiladas that are right in the middle. So, going right in here.